Okay, try this one out then. Two cables tied together at C, loaded with force P. Okay, so this angle here is 30 degrees. They could have just set it. They don't use it in anything funny or interesting. I guess it's so they could just have a way to change the problem up constantly. So we are asked, what is the tension? What is tension in cable AC? Okay. So to draw this as like a FBD, we're just gonna have this is gonna be TAC. This is gonna be TBC, and then it's gonna have P. So to draw this here now, there. So those are the three forces really. It's very simple. And we know P. P is equal to 5.3 kilonewtons. And of course we know the angles. So if we do sum of the forces in the x direction and sum of the forces in the y, we know that these are going to be, well, let's see, this is taken from the y-axis. Both of these are taken from the y, so the sine and cosine is going to be flipped. So this is going to be TAC sine of 55, and that's going to be plus TBC sine of 30, and that's going to be plus P, which is 5.3 kilonewton. And the sum of the forces in the y is going to be TAC cosine 55 is going to be equal to TBC. This should be the other way around, but it works out anyway. TBC cosine of 30 degrees. Okay. So knowing this is equal, knowing that these are equal, we can probably set TBC we divide this here by cosine 30. Then we get TBC on its own. So we can say this here is actually TAC cosine 55 or cosine 30, sine of 30. And with this we have one unknown and one known, so now we can say that this equals a negative 5.3 kilonewton. And boy, let's see. Now to just get TAC. we'll have to add these two like terms. Well, we can say that, let me just get rid of this. I don't think we'll need this. We're going to bring TAC out front. And this is now just sine 55 plus cosine of 55 over cosine of 30 sine 30 going to equal negative 5.3 kilonewtons. So all we do is divide this entire thing here. Divide this. 5.3 divided by that. So that means that TAC is going to be equal to negative 5.3 all over sine of 55 plus cosine over cosine. This is going to be 55 over 30 sine of 30. All right. Now let's figure that out. Negative 5.3, and this is going to be sine of 55 plus cosine 55 over cosine 30. Of course, that's going to be sine 30 of that. And I'm getting that TAC is equal to negative 4.607. Wait. This should be positive. Somewhere in here this should be positive, so there's a small mistake, I think, in terms of just this. I don't know if this should be negative here. Or if it should, one of those should cancel it out. But regardless, I guess tension can't be negative, so maybe that should have been negative here, but the answer does equal a positive 4.607. That is the answer. How do you like that?